everyone, so I'm back with the tip of the day, and today's tip is for all those women who have MBA degrees, who are experts in business administration, who have done it before their marriage and who were working but had to leave their jobs. So the options that I have for you are in fact a lot, but let's discuss a few of them first. So what you can do is you can become a consultant or a freelancer marketing expert for startups or for smaller companies, brands, other women entrepreneurs who are running their own startups, and help them creating their marketing strategies. Now, from where can you pick up these projects? You can pick up these projects easily from freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, or say Guru.com and peopleperhour.com. And you can also find these projects on LinkedIn.com. So make your profile on LinkedIn.com and complete it, and you can start applying for jobs over there. You can also help startups and other companies in formulating their business plans, which we have already discussed. That is a very big challenge, that everybody needs some expert to build up their business plan. Next thing is you can also help university students in doing their college projects. You can help them online or offline, or make explainer videos for them and post them on YouTube so that they are able to get the expert knowledge. All right, apart from that, what you can also do is work as an affiliate manager from your home, and these affiliate managers manage campaigns for various companies, and you do not have to go anywhere if you're a remote working affiliate manager, and you can manage these programs from your home itself. And the last thing that is here is that you can help companies in building up their marketing material. So what happens is, a lot of startups and women entrepreneurs especially, they need assistance in building up the marketing material, because it is always a one-man show in a startup and they can use all the help they can get. So you can provide that consultation to them, help them bring up their, or chalk out what all promotional material they need, or what is suitable for them. Alright guys, so please subscribe to my channel. Please help me in getting more and more subscribers, and please ask your friends to do so for me, and please like my Facebook page and join my Facebook group. Thank you so much. Bye bye.